Have you ever dreamed of traveling to a far-off place? Let's spin the globe and embark on an imaginary journey. Picture this. You're packing your bags, filled with anticipation and excitement. The allure of the unknown, the promise of adventure. It's all quite thrilling, isn't it? You might be drawn to the bustling cities where skyscrapers touch the clouds and the streets hum with a vibrant energy. Or perhaps you're yearning to visit serene landscapes where mountains kiss the sky and tranquil lakes reflect the world in their still waters. The joy of exploring new places, of immersing oneself in different cultures, can be truly exhilarating. You get to learn about new customs, taste exotic cuisines, and meet people from all walks of life. Travel, in its essence, is about discovery. Discovering new places, new people, new experiences, and in the process, discovering a bit more about yourself. Just imagine stepping off a plane to a new destination, ready to embark on a dream vacation. Now let's consider a specific destination. Have you ever envisioned visiting Paris, the city of love? Paris, with its charming architecture and enticing food, is a dream for many. Picture strolling down the cobblestone streets, lined with quaint cafes and bustling bakeries. Imagine the rich aroma of freshly baked croissants wafting through the air, tempting you at every corner. The Eiffel Tower, an emblem of Paris, stands tall and grand, a sight to behold especially when it sparkles at night. The Louvre, home to thousands of works of art, including the enigmatic Mona Lisa, is another marvel. A cruise down the Seine River, flanked by historic buildings, offers a unique perspective of the city. Paris is also a food lover's paradise. The city is famous for its baguettes, escargot, and crème brûlée, dishes that have won hearts globally. Walking down the streets of Paris, tasting the local cuisine, and soaking in the beautiful architecture, it truly sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Or perhaps your dream vacation destination is somewhere tropical, like Bali, a place that offers more than just breathtaking beaches, but is also a treasure trove of cultural landmarks and natural wonders. Imagine strolling along the white sandy beaches, the sea breeze gently tousling your hair, and the warm sun kissing your skin. Beyond the coastline, Bali's lush forests beckon, promising adventures and discoveries. One of Bali's main attractions is its temples, each one a testament to the island's rich cultural heritage. Just picture standing in the serene courtyard of a temple, surrounded by intricate stone carvings and the scent of incense wafting in the air. And let's not forget Bali's iconic rice terraces, a man-made marvel that blends seamlessly with the island's natural beauty. It's like stepping into a living painting, with the emerald green terraces cascading down the hillside. Finally, immersing yourself in the local culture is a must. From traditional dances to artisan crafts, Bali's vibrant culture is sure to captivate you. Immerse yourself in the natural beauty of Bali, experiencing the tranquil temples and stunning landscapes. Truly a dream vacation. But what if your dream vacation destination is a place full of adventure, like Alaska? Imagine waking up to the sight of majestic mountains, vast wilderness, and pristine, icy glaciers. Alaska, the last frontier, is a paradise for those who find beauty in the wild and untouched. The state offers a variety of unique experiences. Imagine the thrill of dog sledding across the snowy landscapes, feeling the crisp air on your face as you speed along. Or perhaps you'd prefer to take it slow, with a serene boat tour to see some of the state's impressive glaciers up close. And then there's the wildlife. Majestic moose, agile wolves, and playful otters are just a few of the creatures you might encounter on your journey. But the real showstopper has to be the northern lights. Their ethereal dance across the night sky is a sight that will leave you awestruck. Exploring the great outdoors of Alaska, witnessing the stunning northern lights, and embarking on thrilling wildlife adventures, certainly a dream vacation for many. So, whether your dream vacation destination is Paris, Bali, or Alaska, the excitement of planning and anticipation is a joy in itself. Let's take a moment to journey back through our dream destinations. Paris, with its enchanting architecture and delectable cuisine, has always been a magnet for lovers of art and culture. Then there's Bali, a tropical paradise where you can rejuvenate your senses amidst lush greenery and serene beaches. And last but not least, Alaska, the land of the midnight sun, offers an adrenaline rush for the adventurous souls with its stunning landscapes and thrilling activities. Each destination has its own charm and allure, and we hope our journey today has inspired you to dream about your own ideal vacation. Remember, expanding your vocabulary related to travel and tourism will not only enhance your language skills, but also enrich your travel experiences. Dreaming of a vacation is the first step towards turning it into a reality. So keep dreaming, keep exploring, and who knows, maybe one day you'll find yourself stepping off a plane to your dream destination.